creature.
Beautiful.
Hello, my name is Dante, and today I'm gonna do another Enadria unboxing. Yeah, two of Caos Genético, two of Fortalezas de Aisha, and two of Enigma. So let's see. What do I get from these packs? Which are actually kind of like the half packs. But these are the 5 cards, yeah. Oh, there's the note, the opening. Yeah. Let's see. What do I get? Yeah. There's the price there. It's 40 Argentinian pesos. So yeah. If you want, you can go to a store in Argentina. You can buy some of these packs there for 40 pesos. And which they are actually kind of cheap. Now, yeah, let's see. What do I get? Riosa Forest. That's a free energy unit. It's bullets free. With motivation. This unit gets Ets attack, or Ets is the number of hybrid units in the game, and has move the enemy hybrid unit in the field gets -1 movement. Well, that's kind of funny. I think move it backwards. Yeah, it's an Et. Yeah. Then it's a Drenado Químico, which is a 2 energy power with that Drenar. I think that's drain. Yeah. The enemy base gets -Ets energy, where Ets is equal to your Krypion units in the field. Has impulse. If your base gets if your base has less than 3 energy, you get +Ets energy, where Ets is equal to the amount of energy drained. Wow, that's great. It's not really like a drain effect entirely. Abominación Mutante, it's a 4 energy 1 speed unit. Yeah, your one's a 1 speed. It's a 2 impact 5 with drain and damage. Like, yeah, the enemy base gets -1 energy, and your base gets -1 HP or defense. Yeah, it's actually HP. Recolector de presas, it's a 3 energy 1 speed 0 impact free unit with restore. Your base gets +1 defense, and it has impulse. If there's 2 or more equipments, if you have 2 or more equipments, your base gets immune. Like you get immune. Yeah, it's Mole Controlada, which is a 5 energy 1 speed unit, 1 impact 6 with squash. So yeah, your opponent chooses and sends one of their units to the incinerator. I don't know what's the incinerator, but I think that's like the graveyard. Still, that kind of looks cool. Yeah, squash effect. It's cool. Oh, let's see what else can I get. Ooh, Chiron Hydra. So yeah, that's a Hydra, actually. Wow, that's actually a full rarity. Yeah, card. It's an 8 energy, 3 speed, 6 cutting 4 with immune and has create. You got to create a unit Hydra head. Yeah, 4/2 cutting, speed 3, in each slot in this card's zone. That's actually so good. Wow. It has immune, yeah. Your base gets immune. It's immune to effects and abilities. Wow, so good. And there is Ripion Robótico Solar, which is a 4 energy 2 speed unit, 3 cutting 2 with save up for 0 energy. The next unit that's equipping that unit costs no energy. Wow, so good. There's a power which is reuse materials, which is a 1 energy with destroy. One of your equipments is destroyed and has impulse. Your base gets plus X defense, where X is equal to the cost of the destroyed equipment. Yeah, you just have to sacrifice an equipment to gain some HP. That's what this card does. Yeah, for 1 energy. But yeah, it would be good if it was cost 0 energy. Objetivo Selecto. It's 4 energy power with destroy. An equipped enemy unit gets destroyed. Wow. There's Karov Doble Cabeza, which is a 4 energy 1 speed unit with 2 cutting 4 with perception. So it can go over blocked spaces. Wow, it's kind of funny. Now let's go open some. It's actually kind of hard. Look at this. Boogie Lanzallamas, 5 energy, 2 speed unit, 2 nuclear 2 with command plus 2 nuclear attack. Has protect. Your a unit gets plus 2 defense. Wow, it's kind of good. And there is a base. It's a 6 energy base. Yeah, 15 defense. Yeah, it's kind of low, but it's puesto modular, and has get armed. For 3 energies. Your units in attack zone get plus 1 attack. Wow. Whoa, flipped. Yeah. 0 defense. What? For energy 3 sniper 0. Yeah. Francotirador veterano. Yeah. With destroy for 5 energy. A warrior gets destroyed. Yeah, unit. Very good. veteran sniper. That's what it literally is. Oh, Desgarrador Dorado, 5 energy, 2 speed, free cutting 1 with Imponer, which attacks first to the front unit, and then it is Guerrero Catar Dorado, which is another 5 energy, 2 speed unit, free sniper 2 with rage for 2 energies. This unit converts its defense into attack and adds it to their attack. Wow, it's kind of weird. Now let's see how we do in the other pack. Yeah, this one's slightly easier to open, or not. I think let's cut from below. That's easier now. Yes, that was quick. Ooh, giant worm. 7 energy, free speed unit, 5 sniper 2. Yeah, and that's a rare. That looks bad compared to the Hydra. Giron Hydra, yeah. It's this giant worm. Then there's Golden Shield, Escudo Dorado. Yeah, it's a 2 energy equipment. Yeah, with Reforce equipped unit gets +2 defense and has Impulse. If equipped unit is golden, gets +1 extra defense. It's the Impulse. Oh, another 0 defense unit. It's a Coleoptero Acri, which is a 5 energy, free speed. Yeah, 2 nuclear 0 with save up. This unit costs 2 less energy for each Akirio. For each of your Akirios. Has adapt. This unit has the attack type of your choice. Wow, that's actually so good. So it's good for any command effect or to handle anti-nuclear. Yeah, that's so good. Again, another discard is Baterías de Energía Solar, which is solar powered batteries, which is a 1 energy power with recharge. Your base gets +2 energy. Oh, that's kind of like a ritual. Yeah, that's a term for another game. Yeah, called MTG or Magic the Gathering, also known as MTG for short. Yeah. They have like this, instead of powers, it's called instants or sorceries, and like the ones that give you extra like energy. In Magic the Gathering it's called mana. Yeah, instants and sorceries that let you do that. They're called rituals. Don't know how do they call it in Nadria? I don't know. In Magic the Gathering they're called rituals. Oh, Francis Montblanc, free energy 1 speed unit, 0 impact 2 with potentiate. Your bot gets +1 attack and +1 defense, and it has select for 1 energy. You look at the top three cards of your deck, and you choose a bot and play it without paying its cost. Discard the rest. Wow, that's good. In a bot deck. And then there's a Buque Transportador, which is a free energy unit, 1 speed, 0 cutting free with move. Your Gastor vehicles, in the game get +1 movement. Wow, that's cool. And there's Formación Falange, 2 energy technology with check. Your Lancers in your hand cost free energy. So yeah, they are good. If they cost more, they're discounted, but if they cost less, they go up in price. But there's Interferencia Destructiva, 2 energy technology with inhabit. Anti ability. If the abilities of any enemy technologies have no effect. Wow, that kind of looks cool. Denies the technology, and the technology that denies the technology. Wow, it's kind of cool. Walkers or caminantes, yeah. Free energy power with consider. Your nomad in the play have simulate. Wow, it's kind of cool. Final pack. Let's see what did I get. Yeah, with these Enigma packs, you can actually do that, and you might be able to open it. It's kind of cool. Okay, let's see. What do I get? Ooh, another base. A 5 energy base, Liera. 19 defense with save up. All of your every time you will activate the ability drain, you're in one of your units, your unit in your hand costs 1 less energy. Wow, that's a cool discount here. Cool save up. Virus de Gaba, free energy power with destroy. An enemy unit that costs 3 or less is this in the attack zone is destroyed. Wow. Bot de mantenimiento, maintenance bot. 2 energy, 1 speed unit, 0 impact 1 with restore. Yeah, that's actually kind of good. Oh, Lanceros Osarianos. Well, that's a bad thing with the Formación Falange, because that becomes a free energy. 1 speed, 1 sniper 1, but that's a 1 energy, 1 sniper 1. Wow. Yeah, against my against my deck, that does nothing. There's Grillete Huesos, 1 energy equipment. We've considered your nearby the nearby the units are nearby the enemy equipped unit gain the ability weakness. Wait, you equip this to an enemy? Wow, that's kind of weird. Never seen a card. I never knew you could actually equip your enemy's creature, enemy's units. Wow, in Nadria. So yeah, comment down below which one of these cards did you like the most, and which one would you recommend me to use in the deck, and which base did you like, and if I should run them in a deck. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like Enadria. Subscribe now and bye. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and stay tuned to my next videos and streams, and watch my other videos too. And also, yeah, share with your friends, like, subscribe. Bye.